Today we're diving into one of the most iconic heavy-lift rockets in the history of space exploration, the Russian Proton-M. Specifically, we're talking about the rollout and launch preparations of this legendary vehicle, known in Russian as Vывоз Proton-М, or the rollout of the Proton-M Lao NCH vehicle. The Proton-M is a modified and improved version of the original Proton rocket, which has been serving the Soviet and Russian space programs since the 1960s. It's one of the most powerful rockets developed by Russia, capable of launching very heavy payloads into low Earth orbit, geostat, ionary orbit, and even interplanetary missions. Now, let's talk about the rollout. This is one of the most dramatic and cinematic moments in any Russian launch campaign. The Proton-M is assembled horizontally in the integration and testing facility, known as the MIC, which stands for Montazno Ispite Atelnij Korpus in Russian. Once fully integrated, the rocket is placed on a special rail-mounted transporter erector. Then comes the rollout itself, or Vывоз, a slow, deliberate process where the Proton-M is transported from the assembly building to the launch pad at the Байконур cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. This journey is about 2.5 kilometers, and one of the most interesting aspects of the Proton rollout is the atmosphere around it. There's a lot of tradition here. Engineers and technicians follow the transporter on foot, keeping a close eye on the rocket. It's a mix of old-school engineering and modern precision, and it really gives you a sense of the legacy and pride behind this vehicle. Once the Proton-M reaches the launch pad, typically Site 200 or Site 81 at Байконур, the transporter erector lifts the rocket into a vertical position. This process is incredibly precise, and the hydraulic system slowly raises the rocket until it locks into place on the launch platform. From there, the ground crews begin the final checks, connect fueling lines, and set up support systems for the countdown and launch. The Proton-M launch vehicle consists of 3 main stages, plus an optional 4th stage for higher orbits. It uses a mix of nitrogen tetroxide and unsymmetrical dimethylhydrazine, a hypergolic combination that ignites on contact. While these propellants are toxic, they offer a lot of power and can be stored for long periods, making them ideal for heavy lift missions. Over the years, the Proton-M has launched hundreds of satellites, space probes, and modules for the International Space Station. It played a key role in launching modules like Zvezda and Nauka, which are crucial parts of the Russian segment of the ISS. It also helped deploy satellites for commercial clients, making it a major player in the international launch market. Despite its long history, the Proton-M is slowly being phased out and replaced by newer rockets like the Angara. However, it still has a few missions left, and every rollout is a reminder of its legendary status in the world of rocketry. Whether you're into spaceflight, engineering, or just love seeing huge machines come to life, watching a Proton-M rollout is something special. It's a mix of raw power, tradition, and engineering excellence, all rolled into one slow, graceful procession across the Kazakh desert. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look at the Proton-M rollout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss